So how to hook up a Dji Mic Mini to a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It can be done, and all you need is the Mic Mini. You don't need all the rest of the apparatuses to plug in the bottom of the phone or any of that stuff. What you need to do is just go ahead and pair this as a regular Bluetooth device. Go ahead and turn your Mic Mini on. And then what you would do is go ahead and put this into pairing mode. Then once you're in pairing mode, go into your phone, go into your Bluetooth, pair it like you would any device. Once you're done with that, go to your phone camera. And then once you're in your camera, you got your camera settings. Down here at the bottom, you have your prompts. You got your video and photo and all that at the bottom. What you're gonna run and look for is Pro Video. It probably won't be down there until you put it in there. So you're gonna hit the More button, you're gonna go up here, you're gonna find the Pro Video, and you're gonna drag it down to here and set it up in here. Once you're in Pro Video, all you have to do is go ahead and find where it says Mic Omni here. Just go ahead and click on that and go in here. Now, you're gonna have to set one thing. You're just gonna have to switch it to a Bluetooth device so it goes to a microphone. So all you have to do, click on Bluetooth, bam, you're running. And that's all there is. Now you can shoot in Pro all you want. That's as far as I got. How many other features you can open up past this? Have fun with it, play with it, but you can do this with just the Mic Mini. So I haven't found that anywhere on the internet. I found it here, just messing around with my phone. Hope that helps somebody out.